This video is show you how to change your kitchen faucet and the hose when you have the water leaking, and you don't have to call the plumber, and you can do it yourself and save you a lot of money. First of all, you have to find the connections of your hose, and then I found it in here. So before you do anything, you need to shut down the valve so there's no water supply go into the hose and the faucet. It will help to stop any leaking during the changing process. Then the second step is unscrew the hose. My hose connections was like this. So once I turn off the valve, and then I will use this tool to unscrew this. And then second step, the next step will be pouring the hose from the faucet, not from below the sink. So pull out. And then you pull out the hose. I found it online, and they're matching the same size of the hose and the thing in here. Make sure they are the same size. Then you're doing the same things. Put a new hose from the top. So you can see the hose coming down, and keep pulling it. So make sure you put the washer in before screw it tight, and then turn on the valve. And then over here, put the new washer in, the black one. You can see the washer inside. Put it in, and then screw the new faucet in. Here, this new faucet is already what I want to take, and you can see it. And then now I can screw back in. Here it is. No more water dripping. It's done. Double check. Put no water dripping here either. And all clean. And good to go.